Vuforia Studio has many options to track an AR experience, ensuring the spatial elements of the 3D models match those of the environment. An image target allows you to use an image as your tracking method. By pointing your device at your custom image, you can track your AR experience off the positioning of your image. This is useful when you want to tie in your AR experience with marketing materials, or to demonstrate what the product would look like in a certain space. You can use any kind of image for your target, including business cards and logos. Here we have an existing model of a 3D printer that we want to use. To create an image target, first drag and drop an image target widget onto the 3D canvas. Add the image you wish to use by clicking on the plus button in the details pane. This will open up a file browser where you can navigate to your image. If you've already uploaded your image, you can reselect it in the drop-down menu. To move and rotate the image, you can use the handles on the image target. To precisely place your image target and to rotate on some other axes, you can specify values under Properties. The scale of the AR experience will be determined by how big you make your image. If you make your image in Vuforia Studio larger than the real image, then your AR experience will be scaled down in reality. Conversely, if you make your image in Vuforia Studio smaller than reality, then your experience will be scaled up. So aim to match your image target to its actual size in reality. Once your image target has been configured, position and scale your models accordingly, relative to your image target. Think about where in space you want your CAD models to be relative to your image. Here, we want the printer to be placed directly in front of the logo. Once you are ready, you can preview and publish your experience. To use the image target, you'll need to first open up the experience in the Vuforia View app. Point your camera at the image target to start the experience. Make sure your image target is evenly lit with a moderate and diffused light. Avoid glare to ensure proper tracking. You can move slowly around your image target to track the model in AR. Now that you've created an image target, have a look at our other videos to learn how to make the most out of Vuforia Studio.